Hi and welcome to Le Mans. Today we're going to Pha Lang Airfield and continuing our challenge to kill bosses with pistol only. As before, we are going in with a Type 51, one spare magazine, and 80 rounds. No gear, so it's almost like a zero to hero challenge. And there he is, the boss of Pha Lang. Let's take him out. And another one bites the dust. That's two bosses done with the Type 51, and still some bullets to spare. Let's see what kind of loot he has, and then back to base. Next up is going to be YBL for some close quarter combat. Hope to see you then. That's all for today, kids. And as always, good luck and have fun out there.